Hi guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I'd just like to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and a extra special thanks to the over 13,800 of you guys who decided to smash that subscribe button and support my dream of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. You guys are here for bargain properties today. And if you do hear a fan in the background, I just want to big up my Wintech fan and the Accutech fans out there, the windy air conditioning units, all courtesy of Cardisa Enterprises. If you're looking for an air conditioning unit, if you're looking for a fan, you can contact them. I'll leave their contact information down in the description box below. But enough of the chattings. I know you're ready for the bargain properties. When you're ready, run me intro. Alright, so before we jump into today's video, I want to say that I am not affiliated with any of these properties, nor do I know the realtors or real estate agents selling these properties. So before you make your purchase or schedule your viewing, please do your due diligence. All the information I'm going to be sharing today is public knowledge. I just went on the different real estate websites, found these new properties that are being sold, and put them all together in a video for you guys, alright? But with all the legal stuff out the way, let's jump into the video for today. So the first property on our list is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but really a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom property that is being sold in and around the Duane Park area. I'll put a map in this video so you guys can see exactly where this home is located or the general area. It is being sold for 16 million Jamaican dollars or 103,957 United States dollars or 132,428 Canadian dollars or 79,634 Great British pounds or 92,657 euros. Because I know a lot of you guys are watching from all across the world, so I just want to get all the currencies in the videos from now on. And it is being sold by Miss Rachel Allen from Keller Williams Jamaica Realty, and her contact number is 876-298-6394 in case you want to get in touch with her, or I'll have the page linked in the description below for you to come on and see all this information that I'm going to talk about right now. So she has in the description of this property, look no further, affordable 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in a family-oriented neighborhood just off the boulevard. This property also has great income earning potential with a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom self-contained flat with its own private access. So that's why I had said 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. And it says take advantage of this opportunity and call to schedule your viewing appointment today. This particular home has a lot size of 2,765 square feet. It has a ceramic tiling on the inside. The site influences are easy access, family oriented, low maintenance yard, seniors oriented because it's on a level lot, so you have easy access getting in and out of your house. And of course, it's pets allowed because it's your own home. Other features include garden area, grilled, built-in kitchen, main level entry, fully walled, and it is unfurnished. And that's it for property 1. Let's jump into property number 2. Alright, so property number 2 I found on the RCI Realty Plus website, and it is a apartment that is being sold by Miss June Storage. You can contact her for viewing or to make your purchase at 876-374-7806. This particular apartment is being sold for 23 million JMD or US $149,438 or Canadian $190,366 or $114,500 473 Great British Pounds, or 133,194 euros. And this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment that is, or has a lot size, or an apartment size of 897 square feet. It is actually located in the Barbican area, which is pretty nice, in close proximity to Loshushan, Ribbies. You have Mega Mart that is right down the road. Fontana is close by as well. Hilo Food Store, Barbican. This apartment is right slap dash on Barbican Road. So you have a lot of amenities that are in and around where you are living, and that is a big plus. So in the description of this property on the website, it reads ground floor 2-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment located in an older complex with easy access to banking, business offices, shopping, schools and churches. The unit is spread over 897 square feet with air-conditioned bedrooms, kitchen with Korean countertops and wood cabinetry, combined living and dining, and a rear patio. Unit is also fully grilled with access to rear garden. The kitchen has plumbing for your washer and dryer, and the complex has a drying yard. Complex is accessible by electronic gate. So this for me is I would say a really nice property. Even with especially with the fact that it is a 2-bedroom 1-bathroom in the Barbican area for 23 million. This could be a steal for someone. Trust and believe. But that's it for property number 2. The third and final property for this video I found on the Benjamin's Realty Services website, and it is being sold by Miss Judy Benjamin. You can reach out to her at 876-348-0011 or judy@benjamins with a S realtyservices.com. And I also leave all the links to all these properties, all 3 properties, down in the description box below. But this particular property is a 1-bedroom 1-bathroom with a apartment size of 1,050 square feet, and it is located in the Kingston 19 area, so in and around the Duane Park area again. I also have a map in the video itself for you guys to look at to see exactly where this place is located, or have an idea of where it's located. So this particular 1-bedroom 1-bathroom is being sold for 25 million Jamaican dollars, or 162,432.59 US dollars, or Canadian 206,919.38 dollars, or British pounds 124,427 dollars and 63 cents, or euros 144,776 dollars and 47 cents. All right. In the description it states that there's a natural light, high ceilings, custom built cabinets characterize this 1-bedroom apartment. On entering, openness greets you with views of the mountains of Red Hills. The bathroom is of spa quality with an overhead rain shower, and it doubles as a powder room and can be accessed from the bedroom and the bonus room. The bonus room is a great addition as it can be used as a dining room, study, or made into an additional bedroom. This complex has ample space and would be ideal for a young family of somehow who desires a feeling of openness and space. Come and look, it is worthy. So it has porcelain tiles on the inside. The lot size itself is 704 square feet. The roof is slab. The exterior is fully walled. Cable, 24-hour security. The site influences are mountain views, easy access. They have a no pet policy over there. Low maintenance yard, level lot, and it is a gated community. And based on the pictures, this place looks pristine, looks like it's newly built. It can be a dream for somebody or a steal for somebody at 25 million. So definitely I would say check this one out if you can and see if it is right for you. But based off the pictures, this place is looking very nice. But that's it for this particular bargain moments by Boothe video. I hope these 3 properties that I highlighted today will help you to find your dream home or your starter home. And comment down below and let me know what other areas besides Kingston and St. Catherine you would like me to do in this bargain moments by Boothe series. If you like this particular video, don't forget to hit the like button, to smash that subscribe button, and to turn your post notifications on so you can be notified whenever I drop any new videos. And also, if you don't want to leave a personal comment, you can comment #momentsbyboothe in the comment section. That helps me to rank higher, or helps these videos to rank higher, so more persons can see these videos and more persons can get access to the information of finding more bargain properties. I want to leave you with my quote that I leave in every single video. The goal is to live life on your own terms, and that is what I'm trying to do by the end of 2022 and become a full-time YouTuber. And all you have to do to support this dream of mine, and it doesn't cost you a dime, is just to hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, you guys, so much for watching. You can also leave your comments on how I can update this particular video series or any other video series that I am doing on this channel. But enough of the chattings. I chat too much as per usual. AB signing out.